Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A new study finds that bird species with extreme or uncommon combinations of traits face the highest risk of extinction. The findings are published in the British Ecological Society journal Functional Ecology. A new study led by researchers at Imperial College London finds that the most unique birds on the planet are also the most threatened. Losing these species and the unique roles they play in the environment, such as seed dispersal, pollination and predation, could have severe consequences to the functioning of ecosystems. The researchers found that in simulated scenarios in which all threatened and near-threatened bird species became extinct, there would be a significantly greater reduction in the physical, or morphological, diversity among birds than in scenarios where extinctions were random. Bird species that are both morphologically unique and threatened include the Christmas frigatebird, Frigata andrewsi, which nests only on Christmas Island, and the bristle-thighed curlew, Numenius tahitiensis, which migrates from its breeding grounds in Alaska to South Pacific Islands every year. Losing these unique species will mean a loss of the specialized roles that they play in ecosystems. If we do not take action to protect threatened species and avert extinctions, the functioning of ecosystems will be dramatically disrupted. In the study, the authors used a dataset of measurements collected from living birds and museum specimens, totaling 9,943 bird species. Although the dataset used in the study was able to show that the most unique birds were also classified as threatened on the red list, it was unable to show what links uniqueness in birds to extinction risk. More research is needed to delve deeper into the connection between unique traits and extinction risk. Jerome R. Alley, Benjamin W. Blonder, Alex L. Piggott, Joseph A. Tobias. Bird extinctions threaten to cause disproportionate reductions of functional diversity and uniqueness. Functional Ecology, 2022, doi 10. 1111-1365-2435. 14201 British Ecological Society. Planet's rarest birds at higher risk of extinction. Science Daily, the 25th of November 2022. ift.tt/b6 Creobe. British Ecological Society. 2022, November 25. Planet's rarest birds at higher risk of extinction. Science Daily. Retrieved November 25, 2022 from ift.tt/b6 Creobe. British Ecological Society. Planet's rarest birds at higher risk of extinction. Science Daily. ift.tt/b6 Creobe. Accessed November 25, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.